Witness tells court that Blackman got mad after failed triple hit.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The main witness in the trial involving 33 individuals accused of being part of the St. Catherine-based Klansman One-Don gang detailed how alleged leader Andre Blackman Bryan was mad after a planned hit on 3 victims using the gang's duppy truck failed. According to the witness, who resumed testifying before Chief Justice Bryan Sykes in the Home Circuit Division of the Supreme Court in downtown Kingston on Wednesday morning, September 29th, said Bryan had ordered the killing of the 3 individuals at an area described as Fisheries in Spanish Town in the vicinity of the police academy in 2017. The witness, who said he had participated in surveillance in that instance, said he had been the one to tell the individual with whom he traveled to tell Bryan that the would-be victims had been spotted. He said moments after relaying that information, the duppy truck with 3 men aboard pulled up at the location. He said in driving past, he saw one of the accused, Ted Prince, otherwise called Magaman, with a gun which he fired. The witness, who said he kept driving and returned to the gang's Jones Avenue headquarters in Spanish Town, said the men returned shortly after, with Magaman reporting that he missed the target, but he had shot someone else. According to the witness, while the other gangsters started laughing, Bryan was stoic. He was mad, cause he wanted those guys to be dead. He wasn't laughing, sir. He was screwing, the witness told the court. In another instance, the witness shared how he aborted a planned murder mission before a gas station in Spanish Town because he was of the opinion that the man marked for death was innocent. The witness, who said the duppy truck was on hand for this hit, claimed that upon seeing the intended victim, he called Bryan and told him this was an innocent man them trying to kill. Asked why he said this, he retorted, "Because that is how he looked to me. He was loading a bus. Gunman don't load bus." He claimed he then told Bryan that, "May I go a me yard?" He said after that he called the occupants of the duppy truck and told them, "We are going to park back the car. We are calling off the mission." According to the witness, Blackman had not objected when he told him that he was calling off the hit. However, the witness said he was later told by a man who goes by the alias Shrek that the loader man had been killed. The court was not told how he was killed and by whom. The witness also testified that the gang had allegedly torched 3 branches of a loans company in St. Catherine because the owner ignored demands to pay extortion money. The branches were in Spanish Town, Old Harbour, and Linstead. The witness, who admitted to participating in 2 of the attacks, told the court that the gang allegedly orchestrated the plan after one of the members who were responsible for collecting extortion monies was having problems with getting payment from the company. According to him, the alleged member suggested that the business be attacked. Them said the boss not cooperate and them have to burn down the building. Them have to do something to get his attention, the witness testified. Bryan, the court heard, in agreeing with the suggestion, allegedly said, him need to cooperate, else him can't run no business at Spanish Town. Following that, the witness said he, along with Bryan, the lone female defendant Stephanie Christie, and the defendant Fabian Johnson, and another alleged member Mackerel, who is now deceased, started planning the attack on the Spanish Town branch, which reportedly occurred in 2017. The plan, he said, was to throw some gas on the building and burn it down. According to the witness, before the alleged fire, another member scouted the area in the night to make sure that no cops were present before informing Blackman. He said defendant Andre Goling, alias Rete Blacks, and Ted Prince, otherwise called Magaman, gained entry to the building, which was located at the Spanish Town bus park, and set it ablaze. They tell me that they break the glass in front of the building and go in there and throw gas on the table and the stuff and burn it down, he testified.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!